Hello and welcome to your third HTML programming tutorial. In this tutorial, as promised, I am going to be teaching you the basics of CSS, which is how you add fanciness to your website to make it look cool and all that stuff. So let's get started. So in the last tutorial we made this, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete everything inside the body. Right like that. And I'm going to start with basic CSS. So I'm going to make a paragraph and I'm going to type hello world. So right now, if I run this and save it, then refresh this, it's going to say hello world. It's all black. And supposing I want to add color to this, the main CSS thing you can do is you can type in, after the P, you add a space and type in style equals, and then here. So, the way CSS works is you have a word, like color, and then you have a colon. Then you have a descriptive word, like color. Well, what color? Red. Or you're going to add a background. What color do you want your background? So supposing I want my color to be red, and then I want my background. In between each CSS statement, you have to add a semicolon to show that you are talking about a different CSS statement. If you do not have a semicolon, it will work so long as you only have one. But if you're going to have multiple, you need a semicolon in separating them. So what you do is in here, I'm going to type in background, and it's going to be green. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to refresh this. So as you can see, now the text has the color red, and the background for this text has the color green. That's all well and good, but oftentimes you'll want to do something to the whole website. So what you'll do is, in the body, you can also add your own CSS. So you can put style equals background gray. And this will set the, I'm going to save this, and this will set the background for the entire body, which is this part of your window, to gray. So if we refresh it, it's now gray. I'm going to go over how to use this in dividers, because dividers are, well, they're kind of special, I find. They're very useful. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. I shouldn't have deleted my body. Body. So what we're going to do is first create some dividers. So you enter the keyword div with a slash in front of it to end it, and div there. So div, just like anything else, you're going to need a style, and then you're going to set it equal to this with the these symbols. So now suppose we try to do something like background is red, and we save this, and then we go to this and we refresh it. It's going to be absolutely blank, because right now there's nothing inside these dividers. So what it's going to do is it's going to say, well, there's nothing inside my dividers, so I don't need any space to put that stuff. So right now this divider is infinitely small. It's invisible, basically. So if we added text, like Henry, my name, it will grow to the size that it needs to be to have my name in there. So now if we save it and refresh it, you have Henry, and it adds the extra size. But there's something cool. Whoops. Sorry about that. It happened with the last tutorial too. Suppose you want it to be bigger than it needs to be to fit this. There's a solution to that. There are the keywords width, and the width takes a number and then pixels. You need to enter px to signify pixels. So if I want to make the width of my thing 550 pixels, and there's another one for height, and suppose we want to make that 700 pixels. Now if we save this and refresh it, now it has 700 pixels up and down and 550 pixels that way. Sorry about that. One last thing. When we have this, Henry is right up near the edge of this. So I'm going to teach you a cool keyword to make your text and anything inside of your dividers be a little bit away from the edge. The way you do that is you need to type in your divider, in your CSS for your divider, you want to type padding. That's another keyword. And what you want to do for this, it also has a pixel amount. So we're going to say 20 pixels. 20 pixels. That means everything will be 20 pixels from the edge of the divider. So if we save that, open this up and refresh, as you can see, it didn't work. Dash left. This one sometimes doesn't work. It can be a pain to use, but I think one reason that maybe is because, let me just try this. So when we do that, file, save, and refresh, now it is padded on the left. You can also do padding on the top, which is, padding on the top. If you save that, refresh it, now it's padded on the top instead. And you can just do padding, which does it for all the sides. So if we save that as our last thing, it will pad for both ways. Padding on the top will get messed up, and I don't know why it is. It just sort of happens. And so that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.